Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. Today in this video, I will show you how you can mirror your Android phone screen directly to your PC wirelessly. In this method, you don't need to install any other third-party application on your PC or you don't need any app installation on your Android device. This process is completely wireless and we are using the inbuilt features of your PC and the Android phone. Let's begin. The first step, make sure you are connected with the same Wi-Fi network with your PC and your Android phone. Next step, go to the search box and type optional feature. Then you will get this option, click on it. And you will come inside the settings here under the system optional features. On the right hand side, just click on this blue button. And then a pop-up box came, click yes. And here you will see some results. Don't worry, click on this link. And now here in the available features, type wireless display to search. Okay, we got this. Now just check this box and just click on this blue button to add. So this wireless display feature is going to be downloaded and installed in 5 minutes. Once this is added, you will get this message. Now you can close this. Okay, please restart your system once and come back. And now in the search box, type wireless display. You will see this kind of option. Click and then this blue window will appear. You will have this message. Your PC name is ready to connect wirelessly. Now come to your Android phone. I'm using Samsung device to connect. Okay, just drop down this and see the smart view option. I'm using Samsung device, so all kind of Samsung device have the same smart view option. And if you are using other company mobile, then you will have different option like cast or mirror. Okay. Soon you will see your computer name here. Just tap on it and now click OK and wait for a few seconds. You can see on your PC screen, the process is started to connect. Now this is successfully connected. And here wirelessly, we have mirrored our Android phone image to PC. See this. As you can see, we don't have any huge lag. This is working smoothly because I have a good internet speed as of now. And if you face any lag, this is normal, depends on the network speed and your mobile device. You can use it in a vertical mode or horizontal mode as well. You can do simple activity here like viewing the images, presentation and other basic things. This is not meant for the heavy gaming. You will feel lots of lag. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.